In this video, we'll show you how to install the printhead in your printer. First, open the printhead cover. Don't touch the printhead holder until it stops moving. Press the tabs on the sides of the printhead lock lever to unlock it. Raise the printhead lock lever completely until it stops. Now, let's prepare the printhead. Take the printhead out from its package. Be sure not to touch these parts of the printhead. Remove the orange cap. And be careful not to touch these parts of the printhead. Now, let's install the printhead. Install the printhead with the mark pointing away from you. Be careful not to strike the printhead holder or you might damage the printhead. Once you've installed the printhead, don't remove it unnecessarily. Lower the print lock lever. Push in the tabs on the sides of the print lock lever until you hear a click. The printhead is now installed. For more videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.